First coffee in Scotland. So we just dock, and I learned something. So when the police officer asked the passport and asked how long we're gonna stay in Scotland, I said, oh, just 1 week, you know. I said, okay, you can go. I learned something. So yeah, we just decide to stop in a this kind of place. Ziggy, stop. I always want to be in the vlog. So we just stop here in these kind of dirt roads near the main road, just to relax a little bit. We were so tired, we didn't sleep. And the main idea will be the next days we saw a camping on internet that is maybe 20 kilometers from here. They don't have a video, so I will try the trade, and the plan could be maybe to stay there 3-4 days just to relax for sure. We're a little bit tired after all the traveling in Ireland, and to reboot and start to do the research on place we want to visit in Scotland and things we want to do here. So without thinking about finding the parking, find the water, the electricity, the parking, where to park, the sun, the rain. I mean, just 3-4 days completely, and hot shower, just easy stuff. And I'm gonna fly my drone now. First flight in Scotland. Yeah. Not bad at all as first location in Scotland. We have our own lake. It's a tiny lake. We have the gate. We have our own bench. We have a boat. It's really beautiful.
There's even a bench down here.
Yeah, there's a bench for lovers. the romantic band. Lot of birds.
Oh wow. No, it's not really a bench.
It's kind of a bench.
Oh, look at Ziggy.
Ziggy's happy. And yeah, small boat. Silence.
I know what that building is.
Which one?
That one.
I don't know. I can go to check it out. So somebody died here. Deep cold water. Keep off ice in winter. Set aside height as I put it on the water. So probably gonna be, not probably, I mean 100%, it's a hot day. Yeah. That's why we put out the tent. It's a little bit old school, but it's really helpful because it can give you a extra square feet down there in the shade. And we have the table, we can put the chair outside and enjoy this beautiful day at our own lake. So that's the Westphalia Digital Nomad Lake. That's our lake. Yeah. That's it. Van life. Yeah. I don't know why Mel decided to
Clean and organize.
clean it and organize when we have time.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't have time. I was flying. So. I'm a busy pilot. Under the tent. What a beautiful day. I really hope that you will not see me naked so often in the vlog. It's kind of disgusting. What a beautiful place. This small lake, our private lake. So we had the opportunity to put out the tent and the table, the chairs. I mean, it's like the full 9 yards. Market at its best. And we received an email back from the camping, and actually we were thinking about doing a video for their website, and here we go. Armando is here, so tomorrow we will show up in the early afternoon. And yeah, the idea we're probably gonna stay around 4 days just to.
It depends. You guys have to have the meeting on Thursday.
Yeah, we're gonna chat about, but it's my idea. It's about 4 days. It's enough, you know. Just have 4 days. We're gonna stop by the supermarket, so we're gonna buy food for 4 days. Just having electricity and a hot shower, it's always nice. And you know, you don't have to move the vans, you don't have to find a parking for the night, you know, you don't have to fill water. Just relax a little bit and reboot the system as we need before to start traveling in Scotland and to find out all the nice place that are available here to visit, plus other plans that you will see. Yeah, so we're gonna spend the night here. Look at that beauty. That's a beautiful van. It's 7 o'clock. Can you think about it? It's really still high, the sun in the sky. It seems like to me like 4 o'clock, but it's 7. Long days here. What to say? Really beautiful sunset, a beautiful way to start our journey. In Scotland, look at that. Look at that. It's really nice. By the way, it's legal in Scotland wild camping, so that's while in UK, no, not so much, and well, in England and Wales, it's kind of, but yeah, Scotland it's legal, so that's a really good thing, as we plan only on the wild camping, except the next 4 days, just to regroup and reboot WDN system. in a campground that we will pay with a video, as they need one. And yeah, I mean, the idea about Scotland, you must be discreet. We're not that discreet right now. I mean, we put everything out, but I mean, there's nobody here. It's really a quiet place. And yeah, we're gonna just enjoy these beautiful sunsets. We're just outside the Galloway Forest Park, and the last 3 days we've been at the Glentroll camping and caravan sites. They were pretty kind of emotional. They really liked the video, so I got some amazing drone footage and some footage with the slider. I mean, you know, just my kind of things, and that makes me happy usually when I finish a job and even before to leave the campsite, and they really enjoy it. So yeah, so I will put the link in the description of the camping because it's really nice. It's right at the beginning of the forest, and from there you can take nice bike ride walks up to the mountain, to the lake. It's really beautiful. Even if it's not the place where we thought to get, it's really nice. So that's our camping. What do you say, Ziggy? There's no Wi-Fi here. It's just better organized now. With the fishing box, toolbox, barbecue, the pump, chains, electricity. So this is pretty much how we're gonna deal with this wonderful sunny day. So the 2 solar panels out. We cover the windshield so we don't get too hot. The awning outside, it's good to have some shade. And so the inverter, it's going, is up there, 1 kilowatt inverter, charging the drone battery, and then the cable here. So that's my working space, and I will start to work today for one of my clients, do some video editing in the shade just in front of the lake. That's really what it means to be a digital nomad. Kind of.